Good day. Last time we learned about the independent, dependent, and control variables. Today, we are going to learn how to identify the experimental question. First, let me ask you something. If I say, I want to know if plants grow faster with sunlight, what do you think I am trying to find out? Very good. That is called an experimental question. An experimental question is a question that we can test through an experiment. It usually asks, what will happen if I change something? Let's look at an example. Does the amount of water affect how fast a plant grows? Now, what is being changed here? If you think the amount of water, then you are correct. And what are we observing? Excellent. The plant growth. That means this is a good experimental question because we can test it. Now, let's try another one. Which melts faster, ice in the sun or ice in the shade? Can we test this? Yes, so that is also an experimental question. Now, remember this. An experimental question must be testable, measurable, and about cause and effect. To understand it more, we will have our quiz. I will give you 15 seconds to answer the quiz, and then we will reveal the answer. Let's begin. Number 1. Marco planted tomato seeds in 2 groups, one with fertilizer and one without, and measured their growth after 3 weeks. Identify the experimental question. A. Does fertilizer affect the growth of tomato plants? B. How many tomato plants did Marco plant? Time starts now. The correct answer is A, because it asks about the effect of fertilizer, what is changed, on plant growth, what is measured, making it testable and showing a cause and effect relationship. Did you get that right? Number 2. Liza placed chocolate in a warm and a cold room to observe melting. Identify the experimental question. A. Who bought the chocolate bars? B. Does temperature affect how fast chocolate melts? Time starts now. The correct answer is B, because it focuses on temperature, changed variable, and melting speed, measured result, which can be tested. Do we have the same answer? Next. Question number 3. Ken measured his heart rate before and after running. Identify the experimental question. A. Does exercise affect heart rate? B. How long did Ken run? Time starts now. The correct answer is A, because it examines the effect of exercise, changed variable, on heart rate, measured outcome, making it measurable and testable. Did you get it this time? Well, let's proceed to the last question. Question number 4. Anna planted seeds in sandy and clay soil with the same water and sunlight. Identify the experimental question. A. What kind of plants did Anna use? B. Does the type of soil affect plant growth? Time starts now. The correct answer is B, because it tests how soil type, changed variable, affects plant growth, measured result, which is a clear, experimental, and testable question. All right, class, before we end, let's quickly remember what we learned today. We learned how to identify an experimental question, a question that is testable and shows a cause and effect relationship. Always remember what is being changed and what is being measured. If you can answer those, then you have an experimental question. You all did a great job today, and I'm really proud of your participation. This is Teacher Ryan. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.